This is your Fly Rod Chronicles Time for Education, presented by the state of West Virginia.
This is our West Virginia safety tip. I'm here with RJ Kerwood, pro staff of Fly Rod Chronicles, and now pro staff of River Rafters.
Yeah.
You got your new boat out here. We're going to talk a little bit today. RJ is going to show us how to properly, safely back up a boat at a boat ramp, because I know a lot of times people get and feel pressure. There could be people ahead of us waiting, and everybody wants to get that boat in quick. And I'm gonna tell you, if you hang a camera out here, you can get some bloopers. And safety is first and foremost the most important thing, right, RJ?
Yep, very important. We just got here to Tigert River, right below the dam in central West Virginia. First off, I always make sure that everything is clear, nobody is in the way, no obstacles, and I check my mirrors, keep an eye out. If you have a spotter, that is better. We just got back down here close to the water. Now we're gonna get out, get everything ready to unload it. We're gonna put the plugs in. I'm gonna tie my rope up so that way I know my boat's secure. When I put it up on the bank, I can tie it off and get everything unhooked from the trailer and get it in the water. I always got my plugs where they're easy access, so I don't forget them. This is very important. Your boat won't last long if you don't have your plugs in. Just put them in, turn them. I always double check that they're good and tight. They won't come out. Now I'm gonna unhook it from the trailer. Make sure them are out of the way and they're not going to drag the ground. Now we're going to go up here. Unhook my safety chain. And now we're ready to back it in the water. Another important thing you don't want to forget is to chalk your tires. Always make sure your safety switch is in place. I start it, letting it warm up as I'm hooking. And I always take my time when I'm doing this. All right, Curtis, we got this thing tied up. I'm gonna go park the truck.
Yep.
And we're gonna go fishing.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Let's go.